ka khubor ka ba ai jingmen to shisha shi ki paidbah ka Ri Bhoi district akaba da ka jingyo jingai deputy commissioner but ka bor nongsynshar district Ri Bhoi ki paidbah ka dong Ri Bhoi kinsuk haba ki don kam ya ka birth and death certificate but kim dan kam shu ban wan shadu shenongpo ka badai ka headquarter ka district hakaba tang na ki office u block development officer kinyo ya ki birth and death certificate. Habakren Shekinong to khubor u deputy commissioner ka Ri Bhoi u abhilash baranwal ulaong bakom u khlieh ka district ula aibor ya ki BDO ki bedeiru ki magistrate ba kin ai ya ka order na ka benta banyo ya ka birth and death certificate tang ha ka office u block development officer ki badan Ri Bhoi district ulong ru lapan ko bor yaki makin ai ka order ha ka ba ïadei but ka birth and death certificate kadai kat kum ka registration of births and death act 1969 central act number 18 of 1960 and the Meghalaya registration of birth and death rules 1999 hakaba lada kilayo ya ka order na ki office ki BDO kilapat banlet sya ki PHC ni CHC pension ya ka birth ni death certificate.
So we have taken this a step because we want to bring administration closer to people. We want to make administration as much accessible to them as possible, so that they do not have to come to Nongpo altogether. People will not have to come from Mohati, Umsneng, far away places, all the way to Nongpo to get these orders. They can go to their respective block offices and get this done.
Is this first time that the district administration has taken such kind of initiative, sir, to help the people?
So from in Ri Bhoi, yes, I'm not aware whether it is happening in other parts of the Meghalaya or not. But as far as I know, in other districts probably it is being done from the district room. So birth certificate, whenever people try to get birth certificate for their children, if the children are more than 1 year of age, they have to get an order from a magistrate certifying that the child has been born, and so that the necessary birth certificate can be issued by the nearest public health center, or let's say community health center. However, till now people had to come to Nongpo to get these orders from magistrates or ADMs. Now we have authorized our BDOs, who are also executive magistrates, to take hearing of such people who want to get their birth certificates and issue orders from their end. With that order, they can go to their respective PSC, CSCs and get these birth certificates.